ready to stuff our Christmas hamper basket with all these lovely goodies and provision. We're going to stuff them inside the basket we have wrapped beautifully. Alright, so let's go. Remember, your Christmas hamper basket, the items that you stuff in it has to be according to your preference. Okay, there is no particular pattern. All right. There is a little trick if you want your items to be high. You understand? As in, if you want the items to seem as if it is many inside the basket, you can place something at the down. Then, before you start placing your items, by the time you are done, you seem as if the items are plenty inside the basket. You understand? But I don't think I'll be doing that. I'll just go ahead to, stuff the items, just arrange them inside the basket. Just like this. Okay, it's really not a hard process. Preparing or stuffing your Christmas hamper basket is actually not a serious or tedious thing to do. Okay, and this is Glenfiddich Scotch whiskey. This is 18 years old. So if you don't want this, if you don't want an alcoholic drink, you can put in any drink of your choice, juice, soft drinks, soda, water, just anything of your choice, anything at all. Okay, this is King's vegetable oil, and I think I have to do this like this. Let these washing items be on one side. This is Morning Fresh dish wash. Okay, this is Comfort fabric softener. Let's do this like this. Okay, and peak milk, powder peak milk, and Ovaltine. Let me keep Ovaltine first. I have to put these ones at the heavy, that is breakable. Bama mayonnaise, Checkers custard. Oh, okay. I think I will keep some items at the base. Okay, these are them. I have more. Let me put some at the down to give this a boost. You understand? So it will come on. This is Coca Oats, Ovaltine. This is baked beans, peak milk. Okay, maybe I can give this a boost like this. So, what else should go in? Oh, my peanuts. Peanuts should go in. Peanuts should go in. I love for the peanuts to be here. Like so. Peanuts should go in, and what else? This should go in. My waist. The way I'm bending down is making my waist to ache. Okay. Alright. this is Milo. I hope we are doing good. Okay, so this is more margarine, tomato ketchup, the breakable items. I need to make sure it's sitting properly. So I avoid stirring as such. Need to make sure it's sitting properly. And I also have another breakable item. This is just pray this thing not fall inside just like that. I hope not. I hope not. This is chocolate. Peanut butter. This one was going astray. Evaporated milk. And this is tissue box. Where would this be? I need to look for where to keep this.